Okay, your television set is superior to our television set by all respects. Okay, so now the question in this was, why are we using all respect? Okay, so remember this, guys, when we use to refer to different elements of or perspective of on a thing, okay, or an idea, these words are very closely aspect and respect are very closely related. However, they are not replaceable, they are not interchangeable. Okay, so why are we using respect over here and not aspect? We always say in all respects and not in all aspects. Okay, then similarly in some respect. Okay, again, not in all, in some aspect. On the other hand, we can also say in this respect, again not in this aspect. Okay, okay, and finally one looks at all aspects of an issue and not all respects of an issue. Yes, this is how we frame these sentences. Okay, okay, when do we use these two words? When do we use these phrases? When we are talking about an idea or perspective, when we are giving our perspective to a certain thing. Is it not right to say in some respects? Like I said, it is absolutely fine. In fact, that is right to say in some respects. Okay, with an S. Yes, in some respects. Okay, or in some respect. No, actually it is in some respect, not respects. Okay, so it is not right. Getting back to, I hope this statement is clear as to why by all respects we say and not by all aspects. Okay, so that answers your question as to why will it not be aspects. Okay, my uncle is a moneyed man. He has a big estate and lives in a grand style. He had engaged a number of servants who are all obedient and faithful. Okay, so what are we talking about? My uncle is a moneyed man. That means he is very rich. He has a big estate and lives in a grand style. Okay, he had engaged a number of servants who are all obedient and faithful. Now, do you see the problem over here? The problem is that everything is in simple present or present form. Okay, on the other hand, statement 3 has had engaged, which is not the right usage. It should be has engaged. Okay, so the error is in option 3. That's why since it is not used in the same tense, that's why the error is in option 3. Yes, either one of the 3 of the 4 sentences given in each questions is grammatically wrong. Choose the alternative that if 3 are grammatically correct, choose grammatically wrong ones. If 3 are grammatically wrong, choose the grammatically correct one. Okay, so either 3 are correct or 3 are wrong. So you have to find the odd one out here. Now, let's see. They have placed order for books. Okay, they have placed order for books. He has applied for lecturership. Okay, the river has overflown its bank, correct? Give me rupees 2.5. Okay, now there is the problem. Give me rupees 2.5. The answer should be give me. When we are writing the entire amount, we do not put the unit before the numbers. Okay, so it should be give me 2.5 rupees. But if we are writing it numerically, it should be give me or okay. So this is the difference. When you are writing it, when you are writing the complete unit, then you will not use rupee in front of the numbers. Okay, so the unit has to come at the end. Okay, same goes for if I have to say I ran. It's pretty simple, very basic. I ran 5 kilometers and earned 6 rupees. Okay, so when you are writing the unit, it should come after the number. Yes, 2.5, or well, you can write it that way as well. Sai Kumar Pandau. Alright, I do not understand the solution key, kindly explain. Okay, so this is the solution of this whole concept. When you are writing a unit, only I think there's a problem with dollars and pounds and rupees. Okay, it is usually when we are writing it in the unit form, we put the unit before the number. Okay, but when we are explaining, when we are writing the complete word, when we are spelling it out, the unit, then we write it after the numerical value. All right, the number. So I think this question is clear. Sony, the trust plans, this is an error spotting question, to set on a special school for dumb, for and okay, there is clearly the sentence is wrong. The error is not, I think the error is probably in typing, because it should be deaf and dumb or dumb and deaf. That is also fine. If you put it the other way around, it always occurs, these two words are always used in compound form, and the word you use is deaf and dumb. However, dumb and deaf is also fine. Okay, but here there is an extra for, I don't know what for. Okay, so a special school for dumb and deaf children. Okay, yes, the error is in B. Apart from that, this is a typing error, I'm sure. This is not the error spotting question. This was not supposed to be part of the error spotting question, but it is. So the error is actually only in B. The trust plans to set up a special school for deaf and dumb, or dumb and deaf children. All right, that is the error.